I don't know what you've been waiting on, but it's time to make that fire cider. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. So you can stop procrastinating and let's get to it. I'm just gonna do 3. Back. It's cold out here, so picked all of our peppers already. This is rosemary, oregano. So I'm just gonna turn. Purple onion with the skin removed. If you haven't already made fire cider, you're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. It's October. Get to it. Stop the distractions. Don't pay attention to the distractions. You gotta pay attention to your health and your wellness. Period. Not even your friends distracting you, your mom, your dad, your father. All these distractions around the time that you're supposed to be healing. Take that as a sign. So we got, and this is, I already been making my fire hot. This is my fire honey tonic, and I've been drinking it every single day. And it pairs well for what I'm about to make. We're gonna add our ginger. It's time, it's time, it's time, it's time, it's time, it's time. It's time to get focused. It's time to stop playing. We didn't play, you didn't play, you didn't have fun, you didn't have enough time. Now it's time to get serious about your health and wellness. For real, me too. Like, me too. It's time to get serious. Like, it's time to glow up. It's time to clean. Not just your house, but the inside of your house. That's ginger. Alright, Next, we're gonna do some limes and some lemons. So make sure you keep them seeds. Limes. Seed out. Alright, now let's do our garlic. These. And all these peppers came from our pepper plant. That's what I'm saying. I use my bartering form on my website if you want to barter. And then we'll get back to you from there. Playtime is over with. Alright, a bit too much. Ginger, garlic. And all the powders we're putting in last. This is clove powder. I didn't have. I grinded all of my clove. This is turmeric. This is cinnamon. I was gonna put cinnamon sticks in, but I burned my cinnamon sticks. So I was like, let me just do the powder. I burned my cinnamon sticks and clove powder. So let's put all these peppers in there. And what I'm gonna do with the peppers is just cut them in half. Just like this. Even this. I will keep the seeds. But I got a lot of peppers. I got a lot of pepper seeds, a lot of peppers, so seeds make them more spicy anyway, so I'm not really keeping this here, so I'm going to take so the video. How to do it a long time ago. That's lazy. Wow, this got a lot of seeds in it. Sustainability in me. Oh my god. The sustainability in me. Trying to keep the seeds. Like, I told myself I wasn't gonna keep these seeds. But come on now, we gotta keep the seeds. Even this, I'm plant that. Seeds. See some seeds stuck in the stem, so I'm not gonna worry about it too much because the seeds stuck in the stem part. I don't have any pressure. The fire and the cider, if you get what I mean. We have the apple cider vinegar, and we have, look at all these seeds. I'm gonna have to get them. This is too much seeds. That's too much seeds for my eyes to not keep them. These grow fast and abundantly. I swear. They grow fast and abundantly. Y'all see one on the plant right now, but all of the other ones we harvested already. We harvested these. You can see tomatoes. Sun is coming up, so I gotta go. The sun is coming up, I gotta go outside. So I'm rushing. Just so I can get the sunrise in. I'm gonna be shaking it up. So don't worry about I barter with seeds, I barter with plants, I barter with tangible things. Just fill out the form, whatever you got in an abundance, let me know. That you're like, damn, I can actually share this. I got a little bit too much of this. Let me know. Because we can barter with some stuff that I know you don't have. Alright, what's next? We got turmeric. Flavor. I just want that turmeric in there. I'm just gonna sprinkle it up too. Open it. This is cinnamon. We got clove. Grinded up clove. I'm not gonna put that much clove in there. I need that. I need the rest of it for my teeth. Alright. Now for the fun part. Apple cider vinegar, baby. It's because I put cinnamon and clove in mine, grind it up. Usually they just leave it in there so big. It looks this way because mine was grinded up. Now we wait about 4 weeks, so the mid-October, we come back and check it and taste it. See y'all in 4 to 6 weeks with an update on this fire cider. Until then, subscribe and turn on your notifications bell. I drop gems daily on how we can create sustainability and bartering movements worldwide for our communities. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Sending all beings love, joy, and healing on your journey.